Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can ask question on Instagram. Now if you guys have seen poll on like Instagram story which your friend has uploaded or which any celebrity has uploaded asking question, it says ask me a question thing. Well, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can also add like that kind of question thing on your story. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, go on where it says your story to upload a story. Go on camera, click any random photo. So I'm just going to click this black photo. Once you click a photo, you can click on a person smiling at the top of your screen over here. Click on it. And over here where it says questions, you can click on it. If you don't see questions, you can search for questions. But if you see it just like in my screen, click on it. And where it says ask me a question, you want to write this over here. So let me ask this. I'm going to add this. How was my latest cardboard video? After I ask a question, I can click on done at the top. And I'm going to click on the arrow at the bottom. I'm going to click on share. And I'm going to click on done. Now this thing is going to be added on my story. As you guys can see, it has been added on my story. Now I can click on type something to give my answer. So let's say I want to give answer to my own question. I'm going to say it was nice. And I click on send. And basically the message has been sent to myself, which means I just wrote a message to myself. All right, that's why I didn't get any notification. But if my friends write any answer over here, I'm gonna get their answer on my message bar over here. All right, so don't worry about it. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can ask a question on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.